Cheryl. What got into you?
At Sunoco, we know how to fuel peak performance with peak savings.
To the chicane. He's back on track and back headed the right direction.
On these restarts later in the race, you see already how wild turn one can be.
And Harvick's got contact. He's around.
Harvick sliding through the grass.
Hold her down, hold her down. You're going to jump back up. Here.
Christopher Bell got in the back of him.
Just hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Come on.
All you can do is just sit there and wait for him to go by.
The 4 starts breaking, and the 95 just wasn't ready. Just a mistake by the 95, I'm sure, is unintentional, but it did. It's a big penalty for Harvick. He's not going to be happy about that.
It's right along with Kevin.
Left side, left side. Left side tight. Keep digging. Still left side.
Man, that's so frustrating.
Look at Kevin looking.
Just hold her down, hold her down. You're going to jump back up.
That's so frustrating when you don't have a chance at saving it. You have no chance at saving it.
Clint Boyer, he's made the point a couple times today, even on the radio, as we see one car off there in, it looks like maybe the horseshoe, but Johnny Klossmeyer, the crease.
John Hunter Nemechek in the 38. The 23-year-old goes around here.
Just barely got into him.
Davison nonstop, the 4 of Kevin Harvick.
It looks like he dropped the right rear tire off the edge of the racetrack, trying to get a good high entry into that corner, and had a little trouble down here in turn 6. Gets into the corner, braking, and locks up the rear tires, spins himself out.
Let's see what happened to the 95 all by himself, goes backwards. You know, they had all 4 cars in the top 10 at the Roval last year, and they have a chance to do it again. Alex Bowman had that
out of the basement, so to speak, in the playoffs.
Oh, hard hit the 18 of Kyle Busch. So a caution has come out.
Yellow, yellow.
And that's not what the 9 team of Chase Elliott wanted, but it was definitely what the 11, the 48, the 14, the 19.
Something catastrophic. So the tires coming apart. He's off the gas, trying to slow it down. It's into the fence just a little bit right there. Everybody avoids. But man, you can't drive that thing on much less 1 flat tire. Got 2.
That is odd, Steve.
3 right behind him. Then the 88 of Bowman and the 47 of Stenhouse's. Oh, the 32 of Corey LaJoie gets turned around.
LaJoie around. He keeps going. We stay green. Denny Hamlin looked like he was trying to close the gap.